Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn how to give variables in Python. How to give variables in Python and what are the rules we have to follow while giving the variable names. So this is my ideally. So this is my idle and go to the file and click on new file. So this is my new file and I will save it as documents, Python programs, and here I will save it as variable name dot variable names dot py. So I have saved the file as variables names dot py. So here I will give the variable name. So while giving variable name, you have to follow some rules. For example, if I give variable name 5 alpha is equal to I am and run it. So it's saying invalid decimal literal. Invalid decimal literal. So you should not start with a number. You should not start with a number. So that's why it's saying invalid decimal literal. For example, I will remove 5 and I will click on F5 and OK. See, a program is running, right? The program is running. So this is how we should not start with a number. So what is the first thing? What is the first thing? We should not start the variable name with the number. So that's why we are getting error. We are getting the error. And so the next thing is, for example, if I write and is equal to 5, and is equal to 5. And if I run this, it will say and invalid syntax because and is a keyword. And is a keyword. And is a keyword. So that's why we should not use keywords and or if else. So all these things are keywords. So the important keywords we should not use as the variable names. Should not use as the variable names. So here I will write we should not use the keywords for the variable names. Variable names. So variable names always starts with the alphabet or the underscore or the underscore. Example, this thing. So this is the underscore. So this is the underscore. So variable always starts with a variable name or underscore. For example, underscore Akshat is equal to 5 and print underscore Akshat. So if I press run button, okay. So it's saying Akshat is not defined. It is not defined. So we should not use a variable Akshat here. For example, underscore x and run this program again. See, we got the value 5. We have got the value 5. Value 5. So why here it's not coming means like here I have written, I missed the h here. Here I have missed the h here. So that's why it's giving some error. So we can give any name. We can give any name. So you should start with underscore or the letter. If you don't give underscore, if you press only X, you can give only X. So you'll get the output as 5. So this is how the variable names always starts with the underscore or the alphabet. Underscore or the alphabet. Underscore or the alphabet. So you can comment like this. And next thing is variables. Variables names can include the numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets. Alphabets A to Z. So variable names can include both numbers and alphabets. For example, if you consider my name Akshat 007 is equal to James Bond. So we can print the Akshat 007 and press F5. So you can print the output. You can print the output because I can use both alphabets and the numbers. But numbers should not be started at first. Numbers should not be started at first. You can include numbers, but numbers should not be started. Numbers should not be started. See here, I got error right. First one. So you can include numbers, but you should not start with the numbers. You can start with the alphabets only. Alphabets only. Alphabets only. Alphabets only. So how can you do it the multi-line comments? Multi-line comments. So here you can press like this. So this line is commented. This line is commented. How can you know? Click on save it and see there is no output. There is no output. So this is the multi-line comment. And we are having three types of variable names. The first one is camel case. Camel case. So how can you give it? If you want to include, if you want to include two or more words as a variable name, so you can include the So variable name, you can use the camel case. Camel case. You can use the camel case. So how can we declare? How can we declare camel case? How can we declare camel case? So let's try and run it. So there is no error. So how can you declare camel case? Like I want to give as I am Iron Man. See, the first word of first letter is I, and the second word am Iron Man always starts with the capital letter. The next word, the first letter is always starts with the capital letter. Next word, first letter is always starts with the capital letter. So this is what camel case. But the first word always starts with the small letter. Always starts with the small letter. So this is what this is what this is what camel case. So you can print I am Iron Man. So this is how we can write the Ashit underscore Stark. Ashit underscore Stark. And we are having another thing. Pascal case. Pascal case. So we are having the Pascal case. So how can we write the Pascal case? So same thing, same thing, same thing. But here I will use the the first word, first letter also as the capital letter, as the capital letter. That's it. As the capital letter. That's it. As the capital letter. So this is how we get the Pascal case. Pascal case. Pascal case. And the final thing is the snake case. Final thing is snake case. So how can we write snake case? Like I underscore am underscore Iron Man. So this is how we can write the snake case. See, each and every word having the underscore option. Each and every word having the underscore option. So this is how we can write I underscore am underscore Iron Man. So this is how we can write it. And if you want to run this thing, you can give print I underscore am underscore Iron Man. So like this. So when you click on F5, okay. So we will get the required output. So we are having three types of case. One is camel case, and one is Pascal case, and one is the snake case. So every time you should not start the variable name with the number, and you should not start the variable name with keyword, and you should include the variable name always starts with alphabet and the underscore. And variable names can include the numbers from 0 to 9 and A to Z alphabets only. So these are the variables names that we can give in the Python. Give in the Python. So this is all about how to give the Python like how to give variables in the Python. This is a simple class how to give a variables in the Python. So that's it, friends. If you think this video is helpful for you, and if you think you learned something from this video, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.